recorded on the pages of God's holy word, with all the other birds flocking round her. She is so despised by them all. Oh, the great speckled bird is the Bible, representing the great church of God. Desiring to lower her standard, they watch every move that she makes. They long to find fault with her teaching, but really they find no mistake. I'm so glad I've learned of her meekness. I am proud that my name is on her book, for I want to be one never fearing, oh, the faith of my Savior's true look. When he cometh descending from heaven on the cloud that he rides in his word, I'll be joyfully carried to meet him on the wings of that great speckled bird.